All right, I am at a drainage ditch that is a lot closer to my house. It looks like it might be full of turtles, I think. Okay, that's definitely bigger than a turtle. I hope this isn't like a gator spot. Oh, it's full of gar. Huh. That's those big things I'm seeing. There's gar, there's probably bass, right? My reel is making a very annoying sound. Oh! Something bit it. Nice, first bite. Only been here like 10 minutes. Never heard a reel make that noise before. I think this current is going to be a great spot. I'm sure I don't step on any snakes. We've had more rain this past week I've had in a very long time, so this thing is full of water. So many shad. Oh, fuck. Almost caught him off that concrete. See if we could do that again. Slide the bait right. Oh. Ah. I mean, there's mullet in this thing. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but I keep getting these crazy hits. Okay, not too sure if the current is the best spot, huh? Not too sure the spinnerbait is a strat. Man, these gar are like sketchy. Oh, there's a gator. Gators fucking sketch me out, man. You guys notice I'm staying like as far back as I can from the bank while still being able to fish, just because of the gators. They are sketchy. I think it's time to switch baits. So I've been struggling over here. I forgot my knife. I have nothing to cut the braided line, so I have to get a little creative here. I'm gonna try a different strategy. I'm gonna use a multi-rod strategy now. Got the chatterbait tied on here, and then an inline spinner tied on this. I'm gonna see if I can catch something smaller on the inline spinner just to get an idea of the area. I think this strategy will prove more effective. Very nice and clean fishing spot. But that. See if I can stand on this without eating shit. Seeing gar and turtles, but I'm not sure what else is in here. I've seen pictures of people catching bass in here, but I don't know if there actually are bass. all the way across. Bring it down. Oh! Had something on. I think I need a cross and go underneath. Okay, this is sketchy. Okay, here I am on the other side. See if I can catch something in this little current. I'm amazed I haven't gotten any bites in this place. Gonna cross the road, try to fish down the other side. This half is way better, or side. Let's go up a little from where we fished before. If there's any spot that I'm gonna catch something, it's right in this current. I think the best play is to use the spinner bait, or the spinner. All right, let's see. There's got to be a lot of bait over here. There's some rocks. There he is. Let's go. First bass of the day on the spinner bait. All right, let's give him a release. Perfect. See if we can get another one in there. Oh, really sick if I could catch two in this spot. Give this one a good toss. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a big one. Woo! Let's go. Okay, it's not as big as I thought, but another guy on the inline spinner. The same spot. Woo! We'll give him a good release. Nice. Knew they would be in here. It's the only place in this whole spot that is current. They're like right up on it. Uh-oh. And this thing loves to get tangled in the braid. Okay. All right, last cast in this spot, and then I'm gonna go somewhere else. Walk a little further down the bank. There's a pond. If I walk about half mile, so 10-minute walk, I could get to a pond. So I think I'm gonna go do that. Okay, it looks like there's some water over here. Delete that rod. See if I can get something on the spinner bait. Alright, doesn't look like there's anything in here. On to the next spot. There is a giant gator. Oh, holy. Yeah, this looks like an interesting spot. I think I'm gonna stay as far away from that gator as I can. I think I'm faster than him. I had to run. There's mullet all over the place. The hell do I have hooked? The hell is this? There we go. Look at that guy. Holy shit. Fuck that. All right. I'm gonna throw in the spot I caught 2 earlier. See if we can catch another one. I used a chatterbait because I lost the spinnerbait. See if we can get something here. Nothing yet. Nothing. All right, last cast here, and then it's time for a new spot. Gonna try and be incognito about this. Spot number 2. I am at a public golf course. See if this spot is any better. Fucking getting drilled by ants. Fuck. There's those signs that say you can't fish. So, looks like a juicy pond, so we'll see. Frog. It doesn't look very deep. Not looking juicy. Fucking big ass gator. Fuck. That shit scares me, man.